Deezer tutorial, how to use Deezer for beginners. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to use Deezer, one of the most popular music streaming services for beginners. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's install our Deezer app. Open your App Store or Google Play Store and simply search for Deezer app and make sure it's the official one and simply download it. Once the app is downloaded, simply open it. Once you open the app, you will be greeted with your sign in page. You can sign into Deezer via email, Apple ID, Google ID, or your Facebook account. Choose whichever fits your needs. Now you'll be prompted to enter your age. Simply do that. Once done, you'll be able to create your account. Now, once you have simply signed in, you'll see all the plans that they offer you. That is premium and family. You can choose whichever you want. As you do that, you'll be taken to the Deezer interface. This is where you'll see personalized music recommendations, featured playlists, and albums based on your listening habits. If you're looking for a specific song, album, artist, or playlist, just tap on the search bar and type it in, and you can simply search for a specific song that you want. The interface is super simple, and once you get the hang of it, it's easy to find whatever you're looking for. And that's it. That's how you can simply use Deezer as a beginner.